Welcome to my channel! Learn with Teacher Ali!
Matatag Curriculum, Math Grade 1, Quarter 2, Week 8. And our topics are adding numbers by expressing addends as tens and ones, expanded form, adding numbers with sum up to 100 without regrouping, and solve problems given orally or in pictures. Content standards. The learners should have knowledge and understanding of addition of numbers with sum up to 100. Performance standard. By the end of the quarter, the learners are able to perform addition of numbers with sum up to 100. Learning competencies. The learners add numbers by expressing addends as tens and ones, expanded form. Add numbers with sum up to 100 without regrouping, using a variety of concrete and pictorial models for 2-digit and 1-digit numbers, 2-digit and 2-digit numbers, and solve problems given orally or in pictures involving addition with sum up to 100 without regrouping. Let's start. Day 1. Solve problems involving addition. Children, get your drill board, write the given numbers vertically, and find the sum. Great job! Today, we are going to solve problems involving addition. Here are the words that you could learn during our topic. Solve problems involving addition. Read and understand the problem, then answer the following question. Mar has 24 marbles. Kat has 12 marbles. How many marbles do they have in all? Here are the questions. Number 1, how many marbles does Mar have? Number 2, how many marbles does Kat have? Number 3, what does the problem want you to know about? And number 4, what is your answer? Show your answer on the board. Great job! There were 72 eggs in a basket. Milo added 15 more eggs. How many eggs are now in the basket? Here are the questions. Number 1, how many eggs were in the basket? Number 2, what did Milo do with the eggs? Number 3, what is asked in the problem? And number 4, what is your answer? Show your answer on the board. Great job! Another problem. 20 children were on a bus. 15 more children joined them. How many children were on the bus altogether? Here are the questions. Number 1, how many children were on the bus? Number 2, how many more children joined them? Number 3, what do you do to find the number of children on the bus altogether? And number 4, what is your answer? Show your answer on the board. Great job! 12 candies were in a jar. Pam added some more to make them 18. How many candies were added by Pam? So here are the questions. Number 1, how many candies were in a jar? Number 2, what did Pam do? Number 3, what do you want to find out? And number 4, What is your answer? Show your answer on the board. Great job! How do you solve the problems? Share your strategies. Great job, everyone! In finding the solution to a given problem, the addition number sentences may be written horizontally or vertically. Here are the answers to the problems. Number 1, 24 plus 12 equals 36. Mar and Kat have 36 marbles. On the problem number 2, 72 plus 15 equals 87. There are 87 eggs in the basket. In the number 3 problem, 20 plus 15 is equal to 35. 35 children were on the bus. And on the number 4 problem, 12 plus blank is equal to 18. So 6 candies were added by Pam. Upon finding the solution to a given problem, make sure that the answers are properly labeled. Children, how do you solve the given problem? Remember to read and understood the problem. Look for the numbers needed to solve the problem, and then solve it. Now, let's answer the following problems. Day 2. Solve problems involving addition. Children, get your drill board. Write the given numbers vertically and find the sum. Great job! Today, we are going to solve problems involving addition. Here are the words that you could learn during our topic. Solve problems involving addition. So let's try this. Here is the problem number 1. How do you solve the problems? Could you please share your strategies? Great job! Here are the possible answers or solutions to problem number 1. A. Counting by fives, the 23 chairs, then using counting on to add the scattered chairs. B. Counting those arranged chairs by fives, and then group the scattered chairs by 5 and continue counting. C. Using addition algorithm. 23 plus 42 is equal to 65. There are now 65 chairs in the room. Problem number 2. His friend gave him 22 pieces more. How many popsicle sticks does he have in all? How do you solve the problems? Share your strategies. Great job! Here are the possible answers or solution to the problem number 2. A. Count the drawing on popsicle stick in the worksheet. B. Using counters, the learners use counter to show the 36 popsicle stick on Mar and the 22 popsicle stick of his friend. Then combine the sticks. And C. Using addition algorithm. 36 plus 22 is equal to 58. Mar has 58 popsicle sticks now. Upon finding the solution to a given problem, make sure that the answers are properly labeled. Which of the solution is the most convenient for you, and why? Great job! The problems can be solved in different ways. but the most convenient and efficient way is using the algorithm. Now let's read and understand the problem, then answer the following questions. Mel picked 12 shells. Ed picked 26 shells. How many more shells must Mel pick to have the same number of shells as Ed? Here are the questions. Number 1. How many shells did Mel pick? Number 2. How many shells did Ed pick? Number 3. Did Mel and Ed pick the same number of shells? Number 4. Who picked fewer shells? Number 5. Who picked more shells? And number 6. What does the problem want us to do? Great job! Now let's have a group activity. How do you solve the problems? Share your strategies. Great job! Here are the possible answers or solution to problem. A. Using concrete objects or manipulatives. B. Adding on. Now let's take a look at the addition number sentence below. 12 plus blank equals 26. Now let's answer the following questions. Number 1. What number should be in the blank so that Mel will have the same number of shells as Ed? Number 2. How many more shells should Mel pick to have the same number of shells as Ed? And number 3. How did you get 14? Here is an example. 12 plus 15 is equal to 27. Now let's answer the following question. Number 1. What do the numbers tell you? Number 2. Is 27 greater than 26? The number of shells of Ed. Number 3. Does picking 15 more shells give Mel a number of shells greater than that of Ed? Great job! Do the same for 16 and 17. Any number greater than 14 when added to 12, the number of shells of Mel will give a number bigger than 26, the number of shells of Ed. Children, how did you get 14? The number of shells Mel needs to pick. Remember that we think of a number that when added to 12 gives 26. Day 3. Add 3 addends with sum up to 100 without regrouping. Get your drill board, write the given numbers vertically and find the sum. Great job! Today, we are going to add 3 addends with sum up to 100 without regrouping. Here are the words that you could learn during our topic. Add 3 addends with sum up to 100. Read and understand the problem, then answer the following question. The table shows the number of Nara seedlings planted by grade 1 pupils in Masaya Elementary School. Now, let's answer the following questions. Number 1, what is the table about? Number 2, how many Nara seedlings were planted by grade 1 Mangga? Number 3, how many Nara seedlings were planted by grade 1 Atis? Number 4, how many Nara seedlings were planted by grade 1 Santol? Number 5, which section planted the greatest number of Nara seedlings? And number 6, which section planted the least number of Nara seedlings? Great job! Now, study the table below. Here are the answers to the following question. Great job! Look at the given number sentence below. What are the addends in each number sentence? How many addends are there in each addition number sentence? Great job! Now look at the given number sentences in question number 4. 13, 20 plus 12 equals 45. What are the addends in the addition number sentence for question number 4? How many addends are there in the addition number sentence? How did you add the 3 addends? Great job! Below are some possible ways to add 3 addends. Compare the obtained sum. Both ways yield the same sum. However, the second procedure is more efficient than the first one. Now, children, get your drill board. Write the given numbers vertically and find the sum. Great job! How do you add 3 or more addends? Children, remember to add the digits in the ones place first, then add the digits in the tens place. In adding, take 2 addends at a time. Now, write in columns and add. Day 4. Add 3 addends with sum up to 100 without regrouping. Children, get your drill board. Write the given numbers vertically and find the sum. Great job! Today, we are going to create and solve problems involving addition of whole numbers. Here are the words that you could learn during our topic. Create and solve problems involving addition of whole numbers. Read and understand the problem, then answer the following question. 4 children pick mangoes. The number of mangoes each child picked is shown in the table. Now let's answer the following question. Number 1, what is the table about? Number 2, what are the names of the children? Number 3, did they pick the same number of mangoes? Number 4, who picked the greatest number of mangoes? Number 5, how many mangoes did not pick? Great job! Can you try creating questions based on the table shown? Great job! Now let's create questions that involve addition. I will give you an example. How many mangoes were picked by John and Tin? So 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. Use the table shown and create questions that involve addition. Great job! So here are some possible questions. How many questions did we create? Answer may vary, depends on the activity. How did you create the questions? We look at the names of the children and put their names to create a question. How did you solve the questions? We look at the numbers of mangoes picked by the children in the questions and added the numbers. Day 5, Catch Up Friday. Great job, everyone! End of week 8.
Thank you for watching! Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye!